going? This is Screen Beauty Factor here. I'm coming to y'all with another video, and it's going to be our famous Boxy charm video. I'm so excited. I done saw what's in here. You know, I can't wait until the video starts to, you know, not open my box. I need to know and try some of the products so I can genuinely tell y'all whether this products are good or not, you know. But I just want to say hi and happy Mother's Day to all the mothers that's on my channel, the newcomers. I want to thank y'all for coming. Welcome to the channel, and I love you guys. And y'all, I'm kind of rising a little bit. I'm kind of happy, but it's at a slow rise, but I know it's gonna go higher. I'm gonna keep trucking and keep going on. But let's get on to what? The video. So I have to put my specs on today, y'all. After a while, I ain't gotta be walking around here with glasses on because I do not like wearing my glasses with my makeup on because I work hard and I have this little print on my nose. I don't like it, but I'm home for the day, so I just said, okay, I just put them on so I can read, so y'all can understand what I'm saying without me hesitating, okay? So this is the time Boxy Charm sent this card. It's called Boxy Bash, and it's got, you know, of course they got the products on the back of the card. So I'm gonna start with the first thing we got was the Cover Effects. It's the Cover Effects blurring primer. I tried it and it does like blur out your pores, you know, make it like a smooth canvas for your makeup to come. I kind of like this because I use Becca as well, but this right here works good, so I really like it. And it is, let me see, Cover Effects Blur Primer. It says it's a lightweight, soft focus primer that blurs the appearance of pores and fine lines. The other imperfection, creating a smooth canvas for flawless foundation application, just like I just said. And it costs, wow, this primer is $38. Look at full size. It's $38. Okay, I gotta do my tally up. You know, we always gotta do tally ups, right? So they said it was $38. Take this out, $38. Okay, now we're gonna go to this right here, which I thought was so adorable. It is the Pretty Vulgar ink, you know, the eyeliner pencil. And it looked like the ink thing back in the day where they stick the little feathers in. I was trying to look up the name and see what they're called, but I couldn't find it. But this is what it looked like to me, y'all. I really like this. And the eyeliner is, oh, let me do a demonstration. Hold on one second. Let me get a brush. See, look, I'm gonna show y'all. Look at that. That is very, very pigmented. It's black. I love that. And I think it dries down kind of matte too. And that's what I like about it. I don't like my liner to be looking shiny. So that's very good, y'all. I hope y'all can see it. But this right here is, let me find it. I should have went in order. Pretty Vulgar ink eyeliner. The highly pigmented gel eyeliner provides a quick drying application enhanced with vitamin C. Conditions the lid is creamy and water resistant formula allows for a smooth application and stays in place all day, which is true. And this is what it looks like. And you just take your little lid off like that, and that's the ink in the inside. It's jet black. And I think it's very, very cute. And it is $24. Okay. Next, we go on to, let's see what we got up here. A sculpture palette. Okay, y'all, this was deep down in my box. And this right here is how it came. And you just take the bubble wrap off. And you got another little white covering on it. And it is the Pure Sculpture. And here it is right here. I haven't used it yet. Well, you can do a highlight. And this right here is the contour, or, you know, let me turn this around because that mirror blinds you. But look, let me see how this looks. Let's see how pigmented it is. Ooh. Okay. Okay, y'all. Let me know if y'all can see. Oh, let me take. And it's got the darkest color. Let me see what it's called. It's got Originator. This is Originator. I hope you can see. Okay, Originator right here. This one is called, let me see. Oh, Trailblazer. That's Trailblazer right there. And this one is called Inventor. Let me see if I can tell. Yeah. Inventor. And this one is Founder. I'm gonna try it. I haven't tried it. I should have tried. I forgot I had it in here. I could have tried it this morning and let y'all guys truly know how the palette is. But if it's coming from Pure, I think it's gonna be good quality. So this palette, it costs $30. $30. Okay. Next thing that we got, it says Exdiskia. Oh, I can't say this thing. But yeah, these are the brushes that came in a set. Yeah, it's a 3-piece trio. And I can't say the word. Yeah, it has an angle brush, a brow spoolie, and a fine tip eyeliner brush. And I use this right here, right there. I use that to dip into the Pretty Vulgar eyeliner and put it on my eye, and it works very well. I really love these brushes. And I haven't tried the other ones yet. Now the spoolie, I feel like they could have made it like double-ended. I mean, it is what it is. I got, you know, you never have enough of spoolies. And this right here is the edge brush right here. Was the angle brush? Excuse me, I'm sorry. Angle brush right here. So that's the brush. And y'all, let me tell you how much these brushes cost. $45. Are you kidding me? Okay, I added that up. Next thing we have a face brush. It's by the same company. Look, I can't say this. Let me take this off. Cause look, these companies, I tell you, I mean, they come up with some names. I'm gonna try to leave it in the video to let y'all guys see what these brushes are. What is this? Oh God. I like this. It's a P12. And it's a synthetic fiber. It allows for maximum control. The P12 face brush is perfect for creating seamless looks. And this is the brush. And maybe y'all can see the name, and maybe somebody can tell. I don't know what to say their name is, but I'll try to put it in the video if I can. But this brush is $27. Okay. Last but not least, it's the Boxy Charm matte lip gloss. I ain't never heard of matte lip gloss by Beauty Creation. This is the box it comes in. Let me take it out the box. Oh, they got some pretty good stuff in this box this time. Oh, this is beautiful. I like it. Ooh. Oh my. Y'all, this smells good. Let me let y'all see this. I might put it on my lips too. Look. It's right there. Oh my God. Let me try it. Let me put my mirror. I got my mirror over here, y'all. Let me try it. But y'all, I like it. But this don't seem like a lip gloss. It seems more like a matte lipstick. But they say it's a lip gloss. So, I mean, this is, let me see what color, what's the name of it. Let me see. Oh, it says Kiss Me. That is a kiss. That's cute. I like that. And this is the Boxy Charm. It's Beauty Creations liquid lip gloss. Beauty Creation matte liquid lip gloss is specially formulated to provide full coverage that dries to a seamless, smooth, and matte finish. It's lightweight application, long wearing for an effortless lip color that complements the skin tones. And this is comes up to $10. Okay, let me make sure. Okay, make sure I got everything out here. Everything's out, and the total is $174 for a $21 box. I keep telling y'all. And it seems like Boxy Charm is getting better and better with their stuff that's coming in here. I'm really enjoying this. I get excited when I see this box. So guys, I just want to jump on here because I had, just came from my daughter's, Mother's Day. And, again, happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. And I just want to tell y'all I love y'all. And I will see y'all, in the next video. And like, share, and subscribe. And make sure you push the notification bell. Because if you don't do that, you won't get to know that I got more videos coming up. Guys, I'll see y'all later. And I love y'all. And like this lipstick said, kiss me. All right, y'all.